Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DPW. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this analysis on a very routine basis, including yesterday. So that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. And I want to specifically focus on the one annotation that I've been talking about, and that is this red line right here at $5.25. I've talked about this level time and time again. For those of you that have watched the past videos, you're probably getting sick of me talking right around this level here, but it just continues to be a thorn in the side of the bulls. However, the final 30 minutes, again, each one of these candles represents 30 minutes. So this right here would be the final 30 minutes on the day. And you can see within the final 30 minutes, the price is now getting very, very close to within striking distance of that green line, or of the red line right there. In fact, it got close, couldn't quite hit it today, but very close. And assuming there's no gap downs on Monday, it's not like the price has to travel a great distance in order to do battle with that one again. So am I saying it's a guarantee that, the price is getting up above 525 on Monday? I wish trading was that easy, but guarantees do not exist. Would it be shocking to see the price break up above 525? No, that would not be shocking. Again, that assumes that there's no gap down, because if there is a gap down, then all of a sudden the price has to travel all the way up there just to do battle. But if there isn't a gap down, then the price just have to travel that distance right there, and they can start, working on that, knocking through there again. But remember, you got to get the true break. True break having two parts. The first part being breaking above the level. And this, 520, I mean, that part has been accomplished many times. Right there, the price is broken up above the level. But then the second part of a true break is, can the price maintain above that break? And that's where the price has failed time and time again. As far as maintaining, it's just fallen back below every time it has temporarily broken above it. So maybe we'll get the true break on Monday. But, the first step in that is, of course, getting above 520, 525, and then staying up above it. As far as levels of support are concerned, nothing new here to report. That purple line is still doing a great job of acting as support. In the event the purple line cannot hold, the next key level would be that green line down there, right around, let's see, I don't remember what that level was. Let's see, right around the $4.30 mark. But moral of the story, nice day today, setting up very nicely for next week. So we'll see if there's a breakout underway and see if the bulls can finally push back up through 525. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.